Hi folks, today the Trung software channel will show everyone how to post in many Facebook groups automatically. Today we'll employ multiple Facebook accounts for posting in various groups. As per Facebook's algorithm, a single account can only post in a certain number of groups. If we post excessively, the account risks being marked as spam and losing posting privileges. In this case, we will utilize several Facebook accounts for bulk posting. As you can see on the screen, I'm using accounts that share the same name. These names have been altered to reflect my own for brand control. Moreover, this is only a small fraction of the accounts available. To guarantee that we can post in multiple groups, I have using software tools. In this app, right now, I have 1,458 accounts, and they will all work like the accounts I have open here for everyone to use. To view, to publish in various Facebook groups, first, get your content ready. I go to the content section to add new content. You can attach images if you want to share, and you can include any images or videos here. After preparing the content and images, I will have the content in the software like this. I will handle it here. I have already tested some content with my clients. Returning to post. First, I select the option to post in the group. Then I will first choose the content. I have the content ready, and I will pull up what I need. You can pick 1, 2, 3 or several pieces of content. For example, I will select more content here. Save it. Following that is the group ID. I have already prepared the list of IDs here. This is the ID list I have prepared. First, the name of the group and the list. The IDs of this list, the name of this group, public or private, member count, and links to those Facebook groups have all been entered into this command. The last step is to select how many Facebook accounts you want. Just select the number of Facebook accounts you have. For example, I'm using a number of active Facebook accounts here, and I press start to activate them. Let's see the results together. During the process, the software will start logging into multiple Facebook accounts that I have. As you can see on the screen, 18 accounts are active. For a while, these accounts will also start accessing the groups I requested according to that list, to start collecting the content I have prepared for posting. As you see, in this place, numerous accounts are sharing their content related to the area they requested. The content will be uploaded one after another to those Facebook accounts. Each Facebook account will take the content. If you add images, the content will also include images and videos as needed. After posting, the content will be available in this section for everyone to see. I checked the posted section for an article and you can see one has gone up. I'll check in this group. Travel group. In Vietnam. This post has appeared immediately in those groups. Do the same step by step for the next accounts. These accounts will also post in order until all the necessary group lists are done. If you find the software suitable for your needs, please contact me directly with the information provided in the video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in future videos.